Good afternoon. I am Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady, and today I am working on Junk Journal July day number 19, or no, day number 20, which is picture. And I interpreted picture to be photo. In fact, 4 photos. Now, there is an abandoned road right around the corner from my house, and there's storage units here. And then back here is a doctor's office. And I like to walk my dog here. It's very peaceful, actually. It's right in the middle of the city. And what struck me today, well, not just today, but you can see how the road is all cracking and things are growing right through the blacktop. And the flowers are growing. This is called butter and eggs. And these are fleabane. We have these in our own garden. They are native wildflowers, and I thought even in the harshest places, flowers will grow. In the harshest, most difficult places, flowers still pop up. And I just like that. And I just like this place, as it's not anything special. It's kind of ugly, but I like it. And so I'm going to make a little bit of a waterfall with these pictures in it. And that's going to be my full layout for prompt number 19, or prompt number 20. Sorry, I keep saying 19 because this is 18, but 19 is back here. So I'm going to put a background on here. And then I think I'm going to use those file folders I showed you in this when I was doing this layout, and we will make our little waterfall. Now, it's not going to be the pull tab kind of waterfall. It's just going to be a flip up waterfall. So to make this waterfall, I'm going to need 4 pieces of background paper to mount my photos on. And we need to leave room at the top for each fold down. And so what I'm going to do is I only have 3 colors, so I'm going to make 2 pinks and a yellow and a blue. We'll make them all about the same size, and this is too small. Okay, and we'll just cut them all about the same size, and then we'll do our folding. And now I remember what this is called. It's a scoreboard. I couldn't remember the other day in one of my other videos. I think it was the what do you call it? My envelope post. Alright, so we've got these. One's for the back and one's for the front. I feel like one of them is not straight. That's weird. Okay, well, let's get a blue and a yellow. I don't think we need to make them super long. Maybe I'll make 2 blues since I've been using so much pink as it is. Alright, actually blue would go well with the background of the sky. Okay, I think we'll start all over here. How wide is this one? See, this one is a little bit skinnier than that one, so we'll go with this one. I think this is the one that's not straight. Yeah, that's not straight. I guess we'll go with this one, because this one does seem to be square and straight. Okay, so I'm making 2 blues. Okay, now what we're going to do is score. Get this out of the way. I might cut off the bottoms later. Okay, we're going to score each one of these at the top. at 1/2 inch. It's very simple. I'm sure you've seen it before. You've probably even done it before. There's a 1/2 inch. Half inch. My daughter-in-law and grandson, that doesn't look right, stopped by today after his swimming lessons. He's had 3 swimming lessons and he doesn't love them. So he'll get used to it probably. It's good for him to learn how to swim though, for sure. Yeah, I don't think that's totally square. There we go. 1/2 inch. See where you're supposed to be. Okay. And then basically you fold it so that it'll flip up. And then each one you glue down a little bit below it so that you can, you know, see the bottom. But I think I do need to cut these a little bit. Maybe not. I could do that. So, and I'm going to attach these with tape because I don't want to make everything be a gluey mess. But I also think I'm going to round my corners a little bit here. Let's hope it works. Oh yeah, the paper's thick enough for it to work good. And I might decorate with my flowers that I got yesterday too. You could even, if you wanted to, round the corners on the pictures. But I think I'm just going to leave them the way they are. Going to get my, oh, we still have to do this too, I forgot. The background. But let's go ahead and we'll move this out of the way and get all our pictures on. I'll do one on camera, but I'm going to speed it up, and then I'll do the rest off camera. Basically, I just do this as close to the edge as possible. And put this one here, and I just do kind of one in the middle, and that's it. And then I kind of want to do them in order. Then we just take off the backing, which sometimes is not always easy, like this time. Maybe this side would be better. Doesn't want to come up. I think sometimes this kind of tape can be a little temperamental. I like the tape runners, but you run out of them, the tape so fast. You know, these things. These Dollar Tree ones, they really are a good deal, even if they are a little more time consuming. So we're going to put this here, just like this. And that's what I'm going to do for each of these with these photos, and then we'll come back, put our background on, and be done. So I've got this pad of paper, and I thought this might be a pretty background, but I also saw something else that I thought would work. This one. It's just a little bit too short also, so I'll have to put like a washi tape across the top maybe. This is pretty, but I don't think it matches well. I actually think I am going to go with the blue. So I'll get that off of there. And it fits perfectly with this strip up here. Maybe I could actually, I don't know, well, we do have pink. I think I would rather put some pretty washi tape up there. So but we are going to glue this down now. And I'm just going to put the glue on this. I guess I'll go ahead and try to use this glue. I'm trying to get this finished up. I'm running out. The only thing is it's so hard to get right up at the edge with this glue. Alright, line it up at the bottom because we're going to put the washi tape at the top. And still got glue on it. It always happens. Oh, maybe I'll put a label up there. So I am going to trim this off, but I'll do that with scissors, and hopefully I'll do it straight. I'm going to trim this edge off here. Hopefully it will look straight. Oh boy, let's turn this way. I have another stupid tickle in my throat. You know, ever since I had COVID the first time, I just don't feel quite right. And then I had it again, and I still don't feel quite right. Let's figure out, I'm going to have to get that off. Figure out what washi tape we want at the top. I'm thinking some Monet. That's pretty. I've also got this. This has got other colors in it that would match with that. I don't know. I've also got some Van Gogh. This is probably too short, too skinny. I know I have others in here. We could put, actually this one might not be bad, with the irises. Yeah, I think we'll put the irises at the top. And I'm going to measure it. I'm not sure. It's not very sticky. I'm definitely going to have to make it stickier. And I'm not sure which side it really, which way to put it, what direction to go. I think this is the line right here. Watch it be too short. I knew it. I knew it. That wasn't the line. Oh my gosh. I am going to just glue it down and then cut it off, just to be on the safe side. Holy smokes. There. I think it goes this way, actually. So, oh, let's get you up where you belong. Okay. Okay, it's a little bit off there, but I'm not going to fuss about it. Okay, so we got that there. Get my glue eraser and see if I can get rid of this glue. Yes, these glue erasers from Dollar Tree are awesome, by the way. I don't know how they work with all glues, but they work really good with the Fabri-Tac. To get that off. Oh, I'm trying to put this lid on here. All right, so we have that part, our background done. And now it's just a matter of putting our pictures down. And I do think I want to put like the beauty of urban decay on here. But I want it to be on a label, and I don't really have any labels that fit. So I need to look at my labels, and I want to put a couple of quotes on the backs of these. So let me get that done. Right, I am ready to put my pictures down. I have my number right here, number 20. And here we have my first picture, the beauty of urban decay. And I'm going to put some of this 3-in-1 glue on here and get this first one glued down. Now we're going to take the next one and glue this one right here. Here's the next one. We're going to glue this one right, whoops, here. And the last one, which of course I got glue in the wrong place. And we'll put that one right there. So this is the finished layout for number 20 picture. And I have 4 pictures here. I put these flowers on top that I got from Michael's yesterday. And I put a little label here that says the beauty of urban decay. And then on the back of this I have, even in the harshest, most difficult of circumstances, flowers find a way to bloom. And that's my own quote. And then we have a quote by Sheryl Crow, no matter how chaotic it is, wildflowers will still spring up in the middle of nowhere. And then back here we have an anonymous quote, even the most delicate flowers possess strength and resilience. And then the last one is a Bible verse. It says, consider how the wildflowers grow. They don't labor or spin thread. Yet I tell you, not even Solomon in all his glory was adorned like one of these. Luke 12:27. So that's it. I hope you'll join me tomorrow for number 21, which is colors. And I still have to figure that one out. See you then. Bye-bye.